Compound interest derivation of formula. Recall the example that we saw earlier on compound interest. We had calculated the interest amount for each year. Bianca invests a sum of 20,000 Rand in an investment account for a period of 4 years. But if we had to calculate the interest earned by Bianca at the end of 15 years, it would become rather tedious to solve this problem. Let us derive a formula by analyzing the pattern of calculation of interest. Let P denote the original sum of money invested by Bianca. Let A denote the accumulated amount of money, that is, balance in the account at the end of the period. Let N denote the time period that the money stays in the account. Let the rate of interest be denoted by R% and the amount of interest be denoted by I. Therefore, a sum of P earns interest at R% for a period of N years. We can rewrite 22,000 as A equals P times 1 plus I. A is calculated by adding the principal amount and the interest amount. A equals P plus I. Now, P times 1 plus I becomes the principal amount in the second year for calculating interest. Interest for the second year will be I times P times 1 plus I. Therefore, the amount at the end of the second year can be written as A equals P times 1 plus I times 1 plus I. This can be rewritten as P times 1 plus I to the power 2. Similarly, the amount at the end of the third year can be written as A equals P times 1 plus I times 1 plus I times 1 plus I. This can be rewritten as P times 1 plus I to the power 3. Thus, at the end of N years, the amount can be written as A equals P times 1 plus I to the power N. We have thus derived the formula for calculating compound interest. Remember what the 4 key variables stand for. A equals final amount or the accumulated amount. P equals initial amount or the original amount or the principal. I equals amount of interest per period, which is R over 100. It is written as a fraction or a decimal. We will assume in this chapter that the interest rate is always compounded annually. N equals time period. Remember to always convert N into years. For example, if the duration of the investment is 6 months, N will become 6 over 12 equals 0,5 years. We can manipulate this formula to either calculate the interest rate or the duration of investment to achieve a specific financial goal.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.